take a rain check. I can't meet you for lunch, but I'll take a rain check. Yes?
I can meet you some other time.
I can meet you some other time.
Yes.
Okay. And where does that come from, that expression?
Suppose somebody calls me to go to eat with them, I can tell, I take a rain check.
And that's the exact use of the idiom. All right. So what does that come from, though? What is a rain check actually? This group is JoJo. What's a rain check?
It comes from golf.
Well, it could come from golf because I just paid to play golf. And this has happened plenty times this summer, right? I paid to play golf. I'm ready to walk out. It starts pouring. So I don't want to play, but I gave them my money. And they don't want to give me my money back. So what they do is, here's a rain check. There's a voucher that says I can play anytime because I already paid for it. So that's the explanation, but we use it. I just can't meet you. It doesn't mean it's raining, right? But let's take a rain check. So that's how we use that expression. Great. So you're declining an offer, suggesting that you'll accept it later.